Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your crosshair on CSGO. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. On screen right now you can see a couple examples of crosshairs you can have. You can have something like this, or like this, or like this. I have no idea what the fuck I'm going to put here. It's going to be after the fact, so it's going to be a surprise to even me. Anyway, let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is open up Steam. And once your Steam is opened up, what we're going to be doing is hovering over Library on the top left, and we're going to be clicking on the Installed tab right here. From this point, we're going to be locating to Counter-Strike Global Offensive. In this case, I already have it selected. And what we're going to be doing is scrolling down until we see the Browse the Workshop option. We're going to be clicking this, which is going to bring us to the CSGO Workshop. And from here, we're going to be searching for a workshop item where we can customize our reticle really easily. So from this point, what we're going to be doing is coming to the search bar right here, and we're going to be searching for crashes with a Z. We're going to be clicking enter, and we're going to get a bunch of different mods created by crashes, but in particular what we're going to be looking for is the crashes crosshair generator v3, which is the newest version for me, which is what we're going to be using. But if you see a v4 or anything higher, I'd recommend always going with the latest version. Once we find this, what we're going to be doing is clicking into it. I'm also going to be leaving a link to this in the description down below, but it's easier to just find it through the workshop if you don't want to send it to somebody and click on a link that way. But once we're here, what we're going to be doing is clicking on the subscribe button right here. Now I should mention at this point, you are going to have to make sure that your CSGO game is closed, so the workshop mod can be fully added to your game. Of course, you can also leave your game open if you want, but you may have to do a restart for the map to be found. So once you click subscribe, it should start to download, and as it's pretty small, it should only take a couple of seconds. But once you no longer see the loading bar in the bottom of your Steam client, then you're ready to go. From here, once again, we're going to be loading back to our installed library, and then we're going to be launching CSGO. To launch CSGO, it's as simple as double clicking. It's really easy to do. And from here, all we have to do is wait till our main menu loads up, and then we continue with this tutorial. From this point, what we're going to be doing is clicking on the Play CSGO button on the top left. And from here, what we're going to be doing is then looking for the official matchmaking dropdown. And what we're going to be doing is changing it to workshop maps, where we should see all workshop maps currently installed in our CSGO linked to our Steam account. From here, what we're going to be doing is looking for the crashes crosshair map that we just installed. You should see it right here. And like I said, you may have to restart your game for this to show up if you had it open during the installation. What we're going to be doing is clicking on this. Then we're going to be clicking go. We're going to be just setting up a custom server. Click go one more time, and then your map will be loaded. And then from here, we're going to be able to adjust and set up our crosshair inside this map. Now this map gives us a lot of customizability, allows us to do it really quick and really easy, as well as giving us easy access to some of the pros and streamers reticles, so we can really easily copy theirs also. So once your map is fully loaded, what we're going to be choosing is CT or T, it doesn't really matter in this case. And once we load into the map, we'll get a couple different options on how we can adjust our crosshair. So what we're going to be doing is just coming to the first one here as an example. And what we can see is a couple different styles of crosshairs we can use. So currently I only have the default crosshair, so I don't have anything special at the moment. But what we can do is choose one of the styles that we see on screen. And these are the kind of default styles we see in CSGO. So we have the up and down motion, which is the small and expanded version of the crosshair. Of course, we can choose a crosshair that doesn't move if you want also. To select a crosshair, all you have to do is shoot that item. And then we can also choose some size, thickness, gap, outline, and a bunch of other options here, which is a really nice thing. So for example, if you want to choose the alpha, you can then increase or decrease the opacity to make it slightly less visible so you can see through it. Then from here, you can also choose the color if you wish to change the color of your crosshair. And we can do a bunch of other things with this window right here. But what we can also do is if we turn around, we can see a bunch of names on this wall, and this locates to different pro players, different streamers. And if you want to copy any of their reticles, what you can do is simply shoot it, and then it'll be instantly copied to your game. Now, of course, how would you know if this is good or not without testing it? What we can do is simply walk outside where some bots will spawn, and we can shoot and actually practice with our reticle. So you can see what's going to work for you. You can try to get some headshots, see how it works, see what your reticle is like. And of course, then you can go back inside and test with any of the other reticles. You can see some more of the pro players over here, or you can experiment around and see what works best for you. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to customize your reticle on CSGO. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.